When you're trying to lose weight and become healthier, you probably wouldn't think about going to a chiropractor, but Adam Wartzel found one who can do all that and more.
So, you have a toe pain? I can look at that. You have some acid reflux? You know what? I can take a look at that.
When a doctor starts using terms like acid reflux, you may think he's a gastroenterologist, but he's not. He's one very special chiropractor.
I want to start with telling you some of the stuff that we do that usually surprises people, because every single day, every morning, every evening, every afternoon, every time I see someone here at the office, they're always surprised by what we do.
At Chiropractic Nashville, the job goes way further than a crack here and there.
We're going to take a look at your nutrition. We're going to take a look at how you're treating your mind. We're going to take a look at everything that goes on with your body.
But how does what you eat and what goes on mentally connect to chiropractic care?
All the way down to the single cell is controlled and directly linked to your brain. So it's got to travel somewhere. It's got to get there and it's got to come back with information on what to do and what not to do. My job is to find if there's any kind of an interference.
So at Chiropractic Nashville, you may walk in thinking you need a couple of simple adjustments, but that interference is caused by a lot more than that.
Well, we go just a little bit deeper than that because, well, where's the crack coming from? What's it actually impacting?
My new friend Dr. Chad here is about to lower me down into a position where he can check my whole nervous system to make sure my body is looking good on the inside. But it's not just laying on this table that makes this doctor really good at what he does.
I have this just wonderful lady that I want to talk to you about. We started seeing her for totally unrelated for what I'm actually going to speak about, because this is stuff that she didn't even talk to us about at the beginning. So after just a few visits, she started telling us about, well, she had some numbness in her feet, numbness in her hands that she didn't even want to mention before.
And I bet you can't guess what happens next. Dr. Chad helped with it all.
Before we got to her first re-exam, the numbness had disappeared. The pain stuff that actually brought her in to begin with, gone. So I took that opportunity to really start trying to shift her with her nutrition and her workouts.
If you're looking for a doctor that can help you physically, mentally, or even with your diet and nutrition, it's Dr. Chad at Chiropractic Nashville, or as he's nicknamed, Coach.
When they walk in the office, regardless of what their status is at that point, I'm telling them, I'm going to treat you like an athlete.
And for more information or to schedule an appointment at Chiropractic Nashville, give them a call at 615-292-2797. You can also view their new patient center by going to their website. It's chiropracticnashville.com.